All right, we're here day 19 at the flip, and today what we're working on is cabinets. Now, we're still painting primer on the cabinets, making sure everything's good, and we're sanding down tomorrow. And then I just bought this bad boy from Home Depot, which mostly matches the old cabinets. The fronts really do, with the exception of the divot here in the front. On the other cabinets are in the back, but this is going on the island. It's slightly different from all the rest. It's gonna be fine. If it was completely different from all the rest, then we would probably paint it a different color than the other cabinets, just to have that huge contrast, so it doesn't make it look like we're trying too hard. So with that being said, I bought this cabinet since it's going on the island. I'm cutting out these wood panels on the island so that it looks really nice all the way around. I'm gonna glue them on and then Brad nail them in, and then I'll prime them, and then we'll paint those as well. And that'll go in the center island, which I think is gonna look really sweet instead of that big ugly pantry that you have there. So we're still gonna have storage in there, which is huge. We're not gonna have as much storage as a pantry. And then we found a solution for the pantry. We're actually not gonna build in a new pantry. We're just gonna use a piece of furniture to act as that, and we'll show you exactly what we mean way down the road. So today, finishing up a cabinet, priming it, and then we've also got primer going on the other ones that have like grease that are kind of like showing through the primer. So we just have to keep painting those until they look good. So it's Jessica's last night here tonight, and then she goes to Germany, and then I'll be here for another 5 days, and then I'll follow her to Germany and go hang out with her for a week while she's at work. She's a very cool girl. Don't tell her I told her. She's a very cool girl, you know? Mrs. Worldwide. She's like Pitbull in here, you know? Just kidding. Anyway, hope you guys have a great time, and I'll touch base with you later.